Dear students, greetings and a very warm welcome. This question appeared in computer science and I thought it may be helpful for other branches as well. So here I am going to present a solution for it. Let me show you the quickest and the easiest way for arriving at the solution for this particular question. Now we have here PQRS is a square of side 2 units. So we have this pink square. PQRS is a square of side 2 unit. Then this is a rectangle. PLMN. This red is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Given that PLMN is a rectangle, so we have to find out the area of the rectangle. Given pink figure is in a square and this figure is a rectangle. Now let us understand one important property, that if we have a triangle on the same base and a parallelogram on the same base, area of the triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. I hope we all are aware, right? Area of the parallelogram is going to be base into height, and area of the triangle is half of base into height. So if they stand on the same base and between the same parallel, the heights will be equal. So half of area of the triangle will be half of base into height and area of the parallelogram will be base into height. So area of the parallelogram will be twice the area of the triangle. Moreover, if we have a triangle and another triangle on the same base and between the same parallel, they will have an equal in area. This white triangle and this green triangle, they have equal area. White triangle and the green triangle, they stand on the same base. The base is same and separation between the parallel line is also same. The base is same, their height is same. So they will have equal area, provided the triangle stand on the same pink base. They stand on the same base. The white and the green triangle, they stand on the same base and they are between the same parallel sides. They are between the same parallel. Triangle on the same base and another triangle on the same base, they are equal in area. Triangle on the same base and parallelogram on the same base, area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. Let's now apply this thing over here. We have to do a minor construction like this. Now we can say this blue triangle and the given rectangle PLMN, it stand on the same base and between the same parallel. Rectangle is also a special class of a parallelogram. So ये जो triangle है और ये जो rectangle है, they stand on the same base and between the same parallel. So area of the triangle will be half the area of the rectangle. Area of the triangle will be half the area of the rectangle. So we can say area of triangle PLS is equal to half the area of the rectangle. Half the area of the rectangle. Now if we see the same thing here, this square, the pink square and the blue triangle, stand on the same base and between the same parallel. The pink square and the blue triangle, it stand on the same base and between the same parallel. So area of the triangle PLS is equal to half the area of the square. Half the area of the square. So area of triangle PLS is half the area of the rectangle, is also equal to half the area of the square. Hence area of the rectangle and area of the square is one and the same thing. Once again, let's have a quick recall of the concept. We are saying the blue triangle stand on the same base and between the same parallel as the rectangle. So area of this triangle is half the area of the rectangle, and same thing we can visualize from here. This pink square and the blue triangle, they stand on the same base and between the same parallel. Area of triangle is half the area of the rectangle as well as half the area of the square. So that means area of rectangle is equal to area of square. So area of a square was 4 unit, hence the area of the rectangle will be also equal to 4 unit, hence the answer. Rise higher, shine brighter. Thank you so much guys.